Hello everyone. Shivananda Sharma Memorial RV College Video Lectures, an ISR initiative. SSMRV College, one of the premier institutions run by the prestigious RV group of institutions, has come up with a unique initiative to engage the students at the time of this unforeseen medical emergency caused by corona outbreak. As a socially responsible institution, we would like to connect academically with students to make good the losses caused. In this connection, I, Vijayalakshmi R, of Department of Commerce BCom program, has posted a video on the subject Methods and Techniques for Business Data Analysis MTBDA and the topic Determinants. Please watch the video till the end, like, share with your peer groups and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Unit 3 Matrices and Determinants. Dear students, so far we have studied the problems under matrices and now we are into the next topic, determinants. A determinant is a number which is attached, which is unique in nature, and it gives you an information how to calculate about it. And determinant is always the elements of the determinant is usually indicated in between two parallel lines. And the major difference between a matrix and a determinant is the elements of matrix will be indicated within the brackets, whereas the elements of determinants will be indicated between the parallel lines, that is two straight lines. Next concept is singular matrix and a non-singular matrix. It is a question which can be asked for section A. What is a singular matrix and what is a non-singular matrix? A singular matrix is nothing but where the determinant of a matrix is equal to 0. That means if you find out the determinants from the given elements, the final answer you will get as a 0, then it is called singular matrix. And if you don't get the 0, then it is called non-singular matrix. That is, if in a determinant of a matrix, if it is not equal to 0, then it is called as a non-singular matrix. And a note is given to you which tells you about a determinant element will be indicated between the two straight lines. That is, the elements will not be written in between the brackets, it will be written in between the two parallel lines. Now we are into the problem aspect, determinants of two order. If you are given with the matrix A, which is in 2 into 2 order, A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22. A11 indicates that it is an element of first row and a first column. A12 indicates that element of first row, second column. A21 indicates element of second row, first column. 22 indicates element of second row, second column. Determinant of A will be denoted by the symbol using two parallel line. In between that you are going to write a capital A. That is det A is equal to det A is equal to. So in between the two parallel line we are going to write the elements also A11, A12, A21, A22. To find out the determinant, students, we have to remember A11 should be multiplied with A22 and A12 should be multiplied with A21. To understand the application simple, so here determinant of A will be multiplied like this. The opposite number, we should remember the opposite number. A11 will be multiplied with the opposite number A22 minus A12 will be multiplied with the opposite number A21. Let us understand with the problem. You are given with 1, 2, 3, 4 in a determinant wherein you need to find out the answer. Here the determinant will be find out like this: 1 into 4 minus 2 into 3. 1 into 4 will be 4 and 2 into 3 will be 6. 4 minus 6, the answer will be minus 2. One more problem is explained for you. A is equal to 2468 and you are asked to find out determinant A. Determinant A is indicated by using the symbol. So two parallel line, in between that A will be written is equal to
And the second
two parallel
next
line, in
problems is
between
given
that
to
elements
practice.
are written.
Here we
2,
need to
4
find
and a
out the
6, 8.
determinant of
Now
8, 9, 1,
determinant
7
A is
and
equal
4,
to
0,
2
1,
into
0
8
So in the
minus
first
6
problem,
into
when you are
4,
given with
the
8,
opposite
9 and
numbers.
1,
In
7,
between that we are
8 can
using
be
the sign
multiplied with the 7
minus symbol.
minus 1
2
can be
into 8
multiplied
is
with the 9.
16. 6
8
into
sevens
4
are
is
56
24.
minus 9.
16
The
minus
answer will be
24 will be equal
47.
to minus
In the
8.
second problem, 4 into 0 minus 1 into 0, the answer will be 0. Before going to the 3 into 3 order, let us understand the positional signs of the determinants. In a 2 into 2 matrix, the positional sign will be like this: plus, minus, minus, plus. And in a 3 into 3 matrix, the positional signs of a determinants are plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Students, let us understand like this. First, we will start with the positive sign followed by the negative sign. We have written plus followed by the negative sign, again followed by the opposite sign, that is plus. Below plus we have to write minus, and below minus we have to write plus. Below plus we have to write minus. Next, let us understand the properties of the determinants. The first property tells you that if any row or any column consists of 0, that is the elements of a row or elements of a column is completely 0, then the determinant A will also be equal to 0. Example 1, 2, 0, 0. If we are finding a determinant, 1 is multiplied with the 0 and minus 2 will be multiplied with the 0, then your final answer is also equal to 0. That is, in any complete row consist of a 0 element, a determinant will be 0. Second property tells you that the transpose is equal to, that is determinant of A dash will be equal to determinant of A. Transpose tells you that, or A dash means we are converting row into column or column into rows. So if you are finding a determinants of A dash, that will be equal to the calculation made under determinant A. In the above example, so we have 1, 2, 0, 0. 1, 2 is in a first row, 0, 0 is in a second row. So if we are converting row into column, then we are going to get 1, 0 and 2, 0. Again, if you multiply, again you will get the answer 0. That is, A dash will be equal to A. Then the third property tells you that determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A multiplied with the determinant of B. Next, let us understand with the problem. Here we are given with the 3 into 3 order problem. A is equal to 3, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 1, 7, 9. If you are asked to find out the determinant of A, let us understand. So here the element should be written in between the parallel lines. The element should not be written within the brackets. We are not supposed to use the brackets when finding out the determinants. Determinant A is equal to, so we can choose the first row, or we can choose the second row, or we can choose the third row, or any of the column can be chosen so as to calculate the determinants. In this problem, we are taking the items of first row, that is 3, 4, 6. Please do remember the positional sign of 3 is plus, positional sign of 4 is minus, and positional sign of 6 is plus. And 3 should be multiplied with those numbers which does not lies in the same row and the same column. That means, let me explain like this. 3 is there in a first row and a first column. The first row items and the first column items must be ignored. That is, along with 3 we have 4, 6 in a first row and 8, 1 in a first column. 4, 6 and 8, 1 should not be taken. The other numbers need to be taken. That is, 3 should be multiplied with 0, 2, 7, 9. minus 4 into, this minus is the positional sign, minus 4 into the items of the same row, same column should not be taken. That is 4 is there in a second column, first row. Second column, first row. So in the second column we have 0, 7 apart from 4, and the first row we have 3, 6 apart from 4. So and 3607 should not be taken. By ignoring this, the other numbers are 8219. That is minus 4 should be multiplied with 8219 plus 6 into, please do remember the items in the same row, same column should not be taken. Same row we have 3, 4. Same column we have 2, 9. 3, 4, 2, 9 should be ignored. Apart from that we have 8017. Therefore 3 into, further simplification, 3 into 0 into 9 minus 2 into 7 minus 4 into 8 into 9 minus 2 into 1 plus 6 into 8 into 7 minus 0 into 1. Further simplification, 3 into 0 into 9 will be 0 minus 2 into 7 will be 14 minus 4 into 8 nines are 72 minus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 6 into 8 into 7 56 minus 0 into 1 is 0. 3 into minus 14 minus 4 into 70 plus 6 into 56. Further simplification, minus 42 minus 280 plus 336. Finally, you are going to get determinant of A is equal to 14. Determinant of order 3, the other problem is given to make you to understand. In this problem, we are taking the elements of the column 3 so as to calculate the determinant value. Column 3 consists of 3, 6, 9. Student, please to remember the positional signs before doing the problem. So the positional sign of 3 is plus, positional sign of 6 is minus, positional sign of 9 is plus. So if you want to find out the determinant, 3, column 3, that is the first element is also 3. That 3 should be multiplied with the elements which does not belongs to the row and column where it lies. That is 3 is there in a first row. The other element are 1 and 2. It is in a first column. The other element are 6 and 9. 1, 2, 6, 9 should not be taken. By ignoring that, we have 4, 5, 7, 8. 3 into 4, 5, 7, 8 minus 6 into, we are supposed to remember here the items of the same row, same column should be ignored. Apart from that, we have 1, 2, 7, 8. Minus 6 will be multiplied with 1, 2, 7, 8 plus 9 into the other items of the other things, other element should be taken. The same row, same column item should be ignored. In the same row we have 7, 8, and in the same column we have 3 and 6 should be ignored. 7, 8, 3, 6 should not be taken, and the remaining numbers are 9 is multiplied with 1, 2, 4, 5. So if you simplify, finally you are going to get the answer as 0. So again, to make you to understand, the other example is also provided to you. You can try this problem. In this problem, so we are taking the first row items to calculate the answer. That is 1, 3 and minus 2 is taken. The positional sign need to be remembered here. To practice, we are given with the two problems. You can try these problems and you can take the elements of the first row, or you can take the elements of the second row or any of the columns. The same row or the same column items can be chosen to find out the determinants. This is the other type of problem which will be given for the exams. So one will be the missing item, and you need to find out the answer for that. Solve for x if a is equal to 4, 3, x2 is equal to 4. If you are given like this, we can write it 4x 32 is equal to 4.
As we know already, we can multiply 4 into 2 minus 3 into x is equal to 4. 4 into 2 is 8 minus 3 into x is 3x, which is equal to 4. Minus 3x is equal to 4 minus 8. X is equal to minus 4 divided by minus 3. Minus minus get cancels. X is equal to 4 by 3. Here we are given with the other type of problem. In this problem, you have a 3 into 3 order, that is solve for x. You need to find out the value of x, where determinant a is equal to 3x minus 1 minus 4 6 7 2 minus 1 4, which is equal to 0. Let us find out the value of x. Determinant a is equal to 3 into, please do remember we are taking the first row items. To calculate the determinant, we need to remember the positional sign. For 3, positional sign is plus. For x, positional sign is minus. For minus 1, positional sign will be plus. That is plus into minus 1. Again it will be minus 1. Plus into minus 1. Again it will be minus 1. 3 into, as we discussed earlier, when you are taking 3, the same row item, same column item should not be taken. 3 into 6 into 7 minus 1 into 4 minus we are using the positional sign, minus x into minus 4 7 2 4. These are the items which does not belong to the same row, same column, plus of minus 1 into minus 4 into minus 4 6 2 minus 1. If you go for the further simplification, 3 into, so as we know already, 6 should be multiplied with 4. In between minus sign should be used. Minus 1 into 7 minus x into minus 4 into 4 minus 2 into 7. Plus into minus will be minus 1 into minus 4 into minus 1 minus of 6 into 2. Further simplification, 3 into 24, that is 6 4s are 24, minus into minus is plus, 1 into 7 is 7, minus x into minus 4 into 4 will be minus 16, minus 2 into 7 will be minus 14, minus 1 into minus 4 into minus 1 is 4, minus 6 into 2 is 12. 3 into 31 minus x into minus 30 minus 1 into minus 8. Further simplification, 31 into 3 will be 93, plus here we should remember minus into minus becomes plus. 30 into x is 30x, plus 1 into 8 will be 8, and apart from that minus into minus will be plus. Sign will be changed here. So we will get 93 plus 30x plus 8. If we add a 93 plus 8, we will get 101. 101 plus 30x is equal to 0. 30x is equal to minus 101. X is equal to minus 101 divided by 30. Next problem, and this comes under the simultaneous equation, where you are going to get the two missing informations. That is, you will not be knowing two values, wherein you need to frame the two different equations. Then we need to solve by framing the equation. Let us see the problem. If find out the value of x and y, if x3 y4 3 1 1 2 4 is equal to 16, and the other determinant element are 1 2 minus 1 minus x 1 2 y minus 1 1 is equal to 28. Solution will be like this. So take down x3 y4 3 1 1 2 4 is equal to 16, and with this we can frame the first equation. So as we know already, we can choose the items of the first row so as to calculate the determinant, and we should remember the positional sign. For x the positional sign is plus, for 3 positional sign is minus, for y positional sign will be plus. Okay, x into
3124 minus 3 into 4114 plus y into 4312 is equal to 16. Again, x into 12, 3 into 4 is 12, minus 2 into 1 is 2, minus 3 into 4 into 4 is 16, 1 into 1 is 1, 16 minus 1, plus y into 4 into 2 is 8, minus 1 into 3 is 3, which is equal to 16. If you simplify this equation, finally you are going to get 10x plus 5y is equal to 61. Now, let us consider the other information given in the problem. 1, 2 minus 1 minus x 1, 2, y minus 1, 1 is equal to 28. If you go for the expansion, again we should remember the positional sign. So first we are taking a first row. For 1 we have a positive sign. For 2 we have a negative sign, and for minus 1 again we have a positive sign. Plus into minus becomes minus again. 1 into 1 2 minus 1 into 1. 1 into 1 2 minus 1 and 1. Minus 2 into minus x and 2, y and 1. Plus of minus 1 into minus x 1, y minus 1 is equal to 28. So if you simplify further, you are going to get 1 into 1 plus 2 minus 2 into minus x minus 2y minus 1 into x minus y is equal to 28. Finally, so with the simplification, we are going to get the second equation as x plus 5y is equal to 25. Solving 1 and 2 simultaneously, we are going to get 9x is equal to 36. In the next step, x is equal to 36 divided by 9, which is equal to 4. Now, x value is 4, which can be substituted in equation 1. 10x plus 5y is equal to 61. And in the position of x, I am going to take the 4. 10 into 4 plus 5y is equal to 61. 5y is equal to 61 minus 40. Y is equal to 21 by 5. Here x is 4 and y is equal to 21 by 5. And this problem can be asked for section C. So it comes under simultaneous equations. Thanks for watching the video.